Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. As you can see, we posted a Bravos wallet setup video for Starknet airdrop, and in this video we showed you guys how you can use the Bravos wallet and also how you can set up your wallet. And as you know, we also have a video about how to get a Starknet ID domain. Now before watching this video, I recommend checking out these two videos, setting up your Bravos wallet and also buying a Starknet domain, because the game we're gonna play today requires these two steps. Now let's learn the details. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, let's just jump straight into our video. So today we're gonna play Starkfighter to get rewards. There are so many rewards and you can check out each reward by clicking leaderboard here. And as you can see, these are the rewards for the top 10 in the leaderboard. But all the top 50 players get rewards. So if we go to page 5, you can see up to 49th player gets 0.05 Ethereum, which nearly makes $100 right now. Considering you're just gonna play a simple game, $100 will be like free money. Now, as I said, in order to play this game, you need to have a Bravos wallet and also purchase a Starknet ID domain. After that, open up starkfighter.xyz, and as always, you will find all the links in the description box below of this video. After you open this website and connect your wallet, as you can see, this is my Stark domain ID. Now, when I hit play, you just have to press space to start the game. And as I said, this is a very simple game, so you need to avoid hitting the rocks. And also, you should not be hit by the enemy behind you. It appears when, as you can see, this is the enemy. Now, you will have to try to survive as long as possible. You saw the leaderboard. The first player nearly got 400 seconds. So as you can see, I died. It asks me to play again. I can just hit space to play again. You can see this is my highest score is 46 seconds. It will ask you to tweet a post in order to save your best score. Make sure you don't skip that step, because if you skip that step, then your high score will not be saved and you will not be saved in the leaderboard. And also, so as you can see, I made 46 seconds as my highest score. Now, if I crash before I hit 46 seconds, it will not ask me to tweet that post again because it's lower than my highest score. So if I manage to survive longer than 46 seconds, then it will ask me to tweet the post again to save my higher score. So I assume you've learned how to play the game. And as I said, just try to survive as long as possible to get these rewards. And as I said, you'll find all the links in the description box below of this video. So that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.